Hello! This is the fourth video in the series of life hacks about Suricata rules. Did you know that you can use the threshold option to control the frequency of rule alerts? You can set it up either within the rule itself or in the config, which is called a global threshold. I'm going to tell you about the more popular first option when the option is configured within the rule. There are three ways to configure it. The first method, threshold, involves specifying the minimum number of rule matches within a specified time period. This is useful in cases where it is not just a single match that is suspicious, but the quantity of them. For example, if there are 200 requests during a brute force attack within 10 seconds, Suricata can notify you only after those 200 requests have happened. The second way is the limit type. Here you can specify the maximum number of alerts for a certain period of time. This life hack will be useful for filtering identical requests that are sent during certain types of attacks. Sometimes the number of such alerts can reach hundreds per second. This makes it difficult to analyze them. For example, there were 100 rule matches in 60 seconds. We set the limit to 10. Then, for the first 10 rule matches, Suricata will issue alerts and then remain silent until 60 seconds pass. The last method is the both type. It's a combination of the first and second methods. Here the number of rule matches is specified, then Suricata generates an alert and remains silent for the remainder of the time period. Let's look at an example of setting up a threshold in a rule. First, let's check the alerts on a random traffic dump. We see a lot of them. Now let's go to the rule to set the threshold. We will specify the type both, which means that the threshold will be set as a combination of the first and second methods. The track by source line means that the count is based on matches from a single source. Count 100 second 60 means that Suricata issues an alert after 100 matches within 60 seconds and then stays silent until the end of this time. Let's see how the rule works on the same traffic dump, but with threshold. We see only 2 alerts. In the next video, I will talk about using IP reputation in Suricata. Stay tuned, see you!